Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you this news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Urban Affairs Minister releases litter picking machine and truck-mounted road sweeping machine. Rupees 200 lakh is not sufficient for the scheme beautification of Umiam viewpoint. Meghalaya Legislative Assembly rejects the breach of privilege notice against the Speaker Metba Lingdo. And to honour his parents, a layperson contributes Rs 4 lakhs to Saint Aloysius. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Urban Affairs Minister Snyabalangdha today released 2 vehicles of the Shillong Municipal Board, namely Jatayu litter picking machine and truck-mounted road sweeping machine at the premises of the Shillong Municipal Board. With the objective to reduce manual handling of garbage by the municipal workers, the Shillong Municipal Board has procured the litter picking machine from Green Assets for the purpose of mechanized picking of litter and garbage, especially from open dumps.
CEO jong municipal ke engineer barok ki staff jong ang ai kuble lang bapo di jong department lembaga di trace tom jong ki jing ai jing mut jong ki yang gomen ngi mata ka sila la bonong de la job sebentar layak ban inaugurate ni ban play nya gini road sweeper ya gini ka jaju liter kajitayu link filter litter picking machine kini mendakaya nasibir ngin demonstrate kum kada ban peniu pai lah.
Meghalaya Legislative Assembly today rejected the breach of privilege notice against the Speaker Metba Lingdo by voice vote. The breach of privilege notice against the Speaker was moved by a member belonging to the ruling side, Adalbert Nongrum of Khon Nyautarep Awakening Movement.
On the 8th of March 2022, when I look at the list of business issued by the Commissioner and Secretary of the Legislative Assembly that was circulated, I was very much taken aback that it did not indicate the rule under which I was to exercise my participation, nor did it correctly specify how I was to take leave to introduce my private member's bill. I need not say more, but only that I consider the act of omission on the part of Commissioner and Secretary, whether committed intentionally or not, to be a breach of privilege.
Please close your speech, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I have presented 3 facts and circumstances in the stand case. In the instance case, one that you asked me to beg leave to introduce instead of asking me to move a motion for leave to introduce.
Okay.
To that, you were silent on the rule under which I expected to move a motion for leave. And 3, almost completed, sir. Please.
You're not supposed to read. You're not supposed to read that also.
That the Commissioner and Secretary of the Legislative Assembly did not fully and correctly specify my participation in the list of business of the day. Again, the first 2 facts and circumstances.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
I hold you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
May I you'll be allowed again to speak.
Guilty
Mr.
of
Speaker,
breach
sir.
of privilege. Again, the 3 facts.
Deputy CM, please take a seat. Please take a seat.
Let me speak.
Deputy CM, please take a seat.
Please, sir.
Please take a seat.
Give
please take a
do
seat.
justice, sir.
I allow you again. Please take a seat.
Tourism Minister Snyabalangdha today informed that the approved amount of Rs 200 lakh is not sufficient for the scheme for beautification of Umiam viewpoint, which has left the department not to take up the scheme and are now examining for new source of funding for taking up the project.
Approved amount is not sufficient to meet the above proposal. And as items of work are interrelated and partial implementation of the scheme, due to shortfall in the sanction amount will not met with the objective of this proposal, and the scheme has not been taken up, and the department is now examining for a new source of funding for taking up of the projects. B. SAR does not arise in view at A above, and C. does not arise in view at A above.
The social organization belonging to Nyautarep Integrated Territorial Organization today apprised the Deputy Commissioner of Riboy District on reckless discharge of waste from cowsheds at Upper Narbong. They also handed to him the memorandum in this connection.
Itu ban help skill ni wan ni tindu isi kalau nurim ban wan ban ujor ba kini kinong Upper Narbong kaya gawa hanek kinong beri pun kiri mesti kaya ni gawa sebab tu syawat director kalau kayak bakta kayak insalang kita ya kemarin gitu supaya pang sistem berat nang om dan nang kini asli kinong jua baju jua jubun kami nak awak kursi yang masuk masat tingkar masat janji berkot de nak lian jungi kaya sang te nila singkai kene kamde hiru kene markini ki kinong dalai baan de nak lian jungi nila wan fisi begitu bisiru ulong bangan singkai de taktahi.
St. Aloysius Secondary School Maulai Kinton Masar today made another leap when the additional building of the school was formally declared open by the chief guest Father Marius Thongmi Ba. The parish priest of Maulai Parish, Father Telesphore Nonglang, Assistant Parish Priest Father Jose Verica Cyril, members of Parish Pastoral Council, teachers and students were present on this joyous occasion. The opening of the new school building began with a short prayer delivered by Father Jose, followed by the blessing of the rooms of the school building. Speaking on the occasion, George G. Pariat informed the gathering that many people have contributed to ensure that the building could see the light of day, and among them, Ajay Agarwal donated 4 lakh rupees for the construction of the new school building to perpetuate the memory of his parents.
But I could play such sin but George balabu ching thọ what tingkar jawe nrengas ngulingo baba kanega yeng school lightly ki classroom o tang artli tingilut tang shipulak kiwe ba ka le se da ka chirap chongka jiba Julius itip ba ka nakaliang jonga CMC ro le ya kerchan lem nakaliang jonga school tip kilale from pisasha no chano ringkat bat jong kini finance commission ki member jong kini iba badu precious iba itip ha
ya kani ka school building I don't like ki classroom ki bangidang de basna thamai te ka wei ka bakham he du na prekili kili lightly ka de ka bala sang bala yarap bisa da u aje agarwal bre umawari mo te ula ai kumba saulak te bat kawai pat de ka kamra kelas ka bakham red ka de ka bala ai na ka na usan yang balang na po ka parish bat ka ba ka computer room pat de ka bangi lasna na ka CMC ka badan hapo jong ka de ka Shillong Masari.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.